Today I'm taking a look at the Silkland USB 4 cable. So here it is. That is a fully braided cable, which I like to see. We also got it labeled. So we can see that is good for 80 gigabits per second and 240 watts. So high charging as well as high bandwidth. It does come with a Velcro strap, and it comes with caps to protect these USB-C plugs. So to test this, I'm going to use a Zyke drive with an Eloka M.2. And it does pick that up right away. And I'm going to copy and paste 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and videos to that drive. And we're looking about 1 gigabyte per second, which is about what I would expect to see out of that drive. Okay, held steady, so that is excellent. And let's do a speed test. Okay, for sequential 1x8 process 1 thread, we got 3318 and 2260. For sequential 1x8 1 process 1 thread, we got 2816 and 1462. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 491 and 333. And worst case scenario for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 72 and 21. So we have absolutely no loss in speed by using this cable with that Zyke drive. With 80 gigabits per second possible, that is exactly what I expect to see out of this. So it's nice knowing that this cable is capable of future-proofing for even faster devices. So overall, that is an excellent cable.